Hello everyone, welcome back to our geography class. In this video, we will study geography of Rajasthan, semester 2, unit 2 in a simple and exam-oriented way. Let's begin. In this video, we will cover the following topics. Topic 1 Agriculture, types and characteristics. Topic 2 Major crops, production and distribution. Topic 3 Major irrigation projects. Topic 4 Mineral resources. Topic 5 Power resources. Topic 6 Hydel power and non-conventional energy resources. Topic 7 Industries of Rajasthan. Now, let's start with Topic 1 Agriculture. Agriculture is the backbone of Rajasthan's economy. It provides food, raw materials, and employment to a large part of the population. Around 70 to 75% of the people depend on agriculture and allied activities for their livelihood. There are four main types of agriculture in Rajasthan: subsistence agriculture, commercial agriculture, dry farming, and irrigated farming. Agriculture in Rajasthan mainly depends on rainfall, irrigation, soil, and climate. Although the state faces challenges like low rainfall and water scarcity, modern irrigation and improved farming methods are increasing agricultural productivity. Topic 2 Major crops. The major crops of Rajasthan are bajra, wheat, maize, cotton, mustard, and sugarcane. Bajra is mainly grown in the desert regions because it requires less water. Wheat is the main rabi crop and is grown in irrigated areas. Maize is mainly cultivated in the hilly districts of southern Rajasthan. Cotton is an important fiber crop grown in black and alluvial soils. Mustard is the major oilseed crop of the state. Sugarcane is grown in irrigated regions and is used for producing sugar and jaggery. These crops contribute significantly to Rajasthan's agriculture and economy. Topic 3 Major irrigation projects. Because Rajasthan receives low and uneven rainfall, irrigation projects are very important. The three major irrigation projects are Chambal project, which provides irrigation, drinking water, and hydroelectric power. Mahi project, which benefits southern Rajasthan through irrigation and electricity generation. Indira Gandhi Canal project, one of the largest canal projects in India, which has transformed the desert regions of western Rajasthan into fertile agricultural land. These projects have greatly increased agricultural production and improved the lives of farmers. Topic 4 Mineral resources. Rajasthan is one of the richest mineral-producing states in India. The minerals are divided into two groups: metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Important metallic minerals include lead, zinc, copper, iron ore, manganese, gold, and silver. Important non-metallic minerals include limestone, gypsum, rock phosphate, salt, china clay, silica sand, marble, and building stones. These minerals are widely used in industries and contribute greatly to the state's economy. Topic 5 Power resources. The major power resources of Rajasthan are coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Coal is mainly used for electricity generation. Petroleum is largely produced in Barmer, which is one of India's major oil-producing regions. Natural gas is found mainly in Barmer and Jaisalmer and is used in industries, power plants, and households. These energy resources support industrial growth and economic development. Topic 6 Hydel power and non-conventional energy. Hydel power is generated from flowing water. Major hydel power projects are located on the Chambal and Mahi rivers. Rajasthan is also a leading producer of solar energy because it receives abundant sunlight throughout the year. Wind energy is mainly generated in Jaisalmer, Barmer, and Jodhpur. Renewable energy sources are clean, environment-friendly, and play an important role in sustainable development. Topic 7 Industries of Rajasthan. Industries are important for employment and economic growth. The major industries of Rajasthan are cotton textile industry, which is based on raw cotton and has major centers like Bhilwara, Jaipur, Kota, and Pali. Sugar industry, which is based on sugarcane production and supports agriculture. Cement industry, which has developed because Rajasthan has abundant limestone deposits. Major cement producing centers include Chittorgarh, Nimbahera, and Kota. These industries contribute significantly to the state's industrial and economic development. Bullseye conclusion. This completes Unit 2 Geography of Rajasthan. Please note down these important points in your notebook and revise them regularly. These topics are very important for your semester examination and can help you score better marks. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more complete unit videos and exam-oriented content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with Unit 3 Part 3. Happy learning!